Hello and welcome to the Global Electronics Report. It's Friday, September 8th and my name is David Burford. Today's programme is sponsored by Comet Group. Trade Association's Smart Group is to become SMTA Europe as of January 1st, 2018. SMTA Europe will continue to host meetings in the UK and will support manufacturing in mainland Europe with additional programmes and technical resources. The two organisations had recently co-organised the Contamination, Cleaning and Coating Conference in Amsterdam, and plans underway for a conference next year also in Amsterdam on the subject of electronics in harsh environments. Members of both organisations will benefit from expanded opportunities to connect throughout the world and will have access to thousands of technical papers and online content. The Smart Group are to release a new guide to QFN, LGA and BTC process defects on October 16th. The optical and X-ray guide covers the most common components, assembly process and reliability failures that may occur using these parts. It shows issues on receipt of goods, common assembly related problems, as well as solder joint and cleanliness failure that can happen in the field. Example images of print, placement and reflow with many common defects found with optical and X-ray inspection are provided in the guide that can be found at the address on your screen now. The guide is one of many authored by industry consultant Bob Willis. In other trade association news, IPC announced that Grupo Major is the first company in South America to be awarded the IPC J Standard 001 and the IPC A 610 Qualified Manufacturers Listing, or QML. Eduardo Caroch, Major's industrial director, engaged with the IPC team at last year's IPC Apex Expo in Las Vegas. He then returned to Major in Rio Grande, Argentina, and begun an intensive audit of IPC J Standard 001 requirements for soldered electrical and electronic assemblies and IPC A 610 acceptability of electronics assemblies. Join me after a quick break for more electronic stories.
At the Comet Group, we live by a pioneering spirit, great ingenuity, and an enduring passion for solutions that lead the way.
The United States is holding its breath as Hurricane Irma barrels towards Florida. There are a number of small to medium-sized EMS companies at risk from damage resulting from the storm. Among the larger manufacturers, MC Assembly is almost directly in the path of the storm, and of course Jabil has its global headquarters in St. Petersburg in the north of the state. The Global Electronics Report will be keeping a watchful eye on the killer storm and will report on any EMS companies affected. Horizon Sales has acquired BAMTech LLC, a distributor supplying products to the electronics assembly industry, located in Akron, Ohio. BAMTech will be treated as a division of Horizon Sales and will operate independently. The sales and marketing team will promote both Horizon and BAMTech. The two companies share many customers and business partners already and are looking to enhance and expand these existing relationships. Horizon sales boss Dave Trail said that together the two companies will continue to focus on customer satisfaction. Integra Technologies LLC, Integrated Circuit and Related Technologies, has purchased Corewell Technology Corporation. Corewell manufactures high quality and responsive semiconductor die prep, assembly test services focused on high reliability, fast turn and wafer processing markets. The two companies combining will provide a single point of contact for a broad range of semiconductor die prep assembly, test and evaluation services for the military, avionics, space, medical, automotive and fabless semiconductor markets. The SMT show in Rosemont, Illinois is now just 11 days away. Global SMT and Packaging will be there and we'll be hosting panel discussions on some of the industry's hottest topics. The panel discussions will be held at the Show Floor Theatre and broadcast on Facebook Live at 8 AM on Wednesday, September 20th and Thursday, September 21st. That's it for this week. Thank you to our sponsors, Comet Group. Technology with a passion. So check back next week for more top stories from around the electronics world.